When it comes to one pot recipes, they're always easy to whip up, which means no hassle. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy one pot peri peri chicken and rice recipe, which is going to turn out flavorful, protein loaded, delicious. The rice is going to be perfectly cooked, and the best part about the recipe is that we're going to be using one key spice, which is peri peri seasoning. You're going to prep up some onions, carrots, red pepper, garlic, and coriander. And also for the recipe, you'll need boneless chicken, and I'm using chicken breast. You can also use chicken thighs. You'll need 1 cup of rice, cooking oil, salt, and the key ingredient, which is peri peri seasoning. You can double or even triple the ingredients to make more rice for your entire family. I'm going to be cooking 1 cup of rice, which I've washed and soaked for 15 minutes, ready for cooking. So we are going to start off by marinating our chicken, and it's going to be super easy. I'm going to transfer to a bigger bowl. Then I'm going to add in half of the peri peri seasoning, add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then next I'm going to add in salt for seasoning, just a touch. I'm going to massage in the peri peri seasoning. And once done, you're going to let the chicken sit for around 5 minutes as you prep up your onions, garlic, or your fresh produce. And peri peri seasoning is a combination of paprika, garlic powder, oregano, some chili flakes, or cayenne pepper. It has a little bit of sugar, which makes very awesome dishes, especially when it comes to chicken and rice. So I'm going to get straight into cooking my delicious peri peri one pot chicken and rice. So I'll place a pan over medium flame and add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the cooking oil is ready, you're going to add in your chicken. Place your chicken in a single layer, then you're going to sear for around 1 to 2 minutes on each side, or until you get a nice gorgeous golden brown color. After a minute, you're going to flip your chicken so that it can cook on the other side. I like cooking with chicken breast because it cooks very fast. So this is going to take around 3 to 4 minutes for the chicken to fully cook. Also, it's going to depend on the size that you have chopped up your chicken breast. Mine is medium size. Searing your chicken is going to add in tons of flavor to the rice, and also it's going to add in a little bit of color to the chicken. Just make sure to wash your chicken so that it doesn't get that dark color. Don't overcook your chicken breast because it's going to turn out super dry. So once it's ready, you're going to transfer to a bowl. Using the same cooking oil that you used to sear your chicken, you're going to add in 1 medium onion. I'm using white onion. You can also use the red onion. Cook the onion for a minute. And while the onion is cooking, it's going to absorb in all those nice chicken juices, chicken drippings on the pan together with the delicious cooking oil. And also, you'll notice that your pan has a little bit of fond that is extra flavor. So don't wash your pan so that you can saute your onions. When the onions are ready, they're going to be looking so gorgeous because of the fond. So next, you're going to add in 4 cloves of garlic, which are minced. Saute together with the onion for an extra 30 minutes until the garlic is nice and flavorful, or until the garlic is cooked. When the onions and garlic are ready, you're going to add in your medium diced carrot. Stir in the carrot. Drain your rice and add into the pan. Immediately you add in the rice, it's going to deglaze the pan. Hence, the rice is going to get a very nice brownish color. So next, I'm going to add in some more seasoning, and I'm going to add in 1 chicken stock cube. Add in a little bit more salt. Stir in, and because I'm cooking 1 cup of rice, I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. So using the same cup that I used to measure out my rice, I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. Stir in the water. Add in the rest of the peri peri seasoning. Stir in. Wait for the water to come to a boil. Then you're going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to add in some more salt to fully season your rice. So you're going to cook your rice for around 3 to 4 minutes or until the water is evaporated. Then you're going to cover. Reduce the flames to low. Simmer your rice for 5 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked. After around 2 minutes, you're going to add back your chicken and let the rice cook for another 2 minutes or until the water is evaporated. Once the water is fully evaporated, just like this, you're going to add in your red capsicum so that it can steam as the rice is fully cooking. Then you're going to cover, reduce the flames to low, and simmer your rice for around 5 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked. This is how your rice is going to be looking after 5 minutes. So you're going to put out the flames and garnish with lots of coriander. Using a fork, you're going to fluff up your rice and just look how the rice is perfectly cooked. If you're wondering which rice I'm using for the recipe, it's long grain basmati rice. I'm going to serve my peri peri rice in a big bowl.